To register on Next Step portal, you should directly go for the site nextstep.tcs.com. You can see here you are on the Next Step portal main page. If you are already registered with the TCS, then you can directly go for login. Otherwise, if you are new to TCS, then click on register now. You should click on IT. You will get a page where you have to fill the basic information like your name, date of birth, gender, email ID, mobile number, your college name, your highest qualification, year of passing, nearest test location for TCS exam, and you should generate a password which should be a combination of numbers, characters, and special characters. And you should select a security question and you should write an answer for it and enter CAPTCHA and submit. After clicking on submit, you will get this page. Thank you for registering with TCS, and you will get a ID which is starting from DT or CT. This is your reference ID for the further process. You should make a note of it and proceed further. After that, click on continue. It will ask the password, and you should give the password which you have set on registering on TCS portal. Then click on submit. It will directly take into the next step portal.
You will won't get the apply for drive option until you fill the application form. Fill the application form.
In the application form, you should fill the personal details first, then go for the academic details, in which you have to fill the highest qualification, then the highest qualification and graduation, the course duration and type of course, it is full form time or part time, and your university name and specialization, then class 12 details, then class 10 details, then if you have any other mandatory courses, and then if you have any work experience, you should mention here. In the last declaration kit, read carefully and mark yes or no, then click on I agree, save and continue, add a language, save and continue. If you have any achievements, mention here, otherwise save and continue. You should fill the details here which will come on your TCS smart hiring card, your name and your blood group. Upload the photo and upload the resume and save and continue. It will take you the preview form, and click on the security details. Are you involved in any pending cases? No. If you have involved, then give the details. Have you involved in any malpractice? No. Then application form preview. Have you appeared for TCS test? No. I agree. Place of the application form, then submit application form. Here actually everyone doing the same mistake. You will won't get this apply for drive until you have filled the application form. You should fill the application form first, then you will get this page. Click on apply for drive. It will take you the drive, and you can read all the related information here, and you can directly click on apply, and please select a valid test date. So let's select a date. Yeah, select test location also. Let's see, valid test, then I will give Hyderabad. Okay, apply. You have applied for recruitment drive. Then this is all about the TCS smart hiring drive. Hope you will enjoy it, and you will crack it. All the best for your future. Thank you.